All right, now that you've got your Goldens Cast Iron cooker home, you're going to want to know how all this goodness inside works. So let's open it up, say hey to the dog across the way, and see what we got going on. So as you open it up, what you're going to notice is, first off, it's going to be your grate lifting tool. It is a very useful tool in the fact that it lifts your grate, so you don't have to grab 900-degree cast iron grates. So it's very simple to use. As you can see, it's got a tab right here on the front. So what you're going to do with that is just insert it in between the grates, press down, and twist. This will allow you to lift your grates, to access the firebox, to fill up with charcoal, to do all the things that you're going to want to do with it. It also allows you to use a unique feature of these grates. The top of this cooker is 24% larger than any ceramic cooker around. So what that allows you to do is to take these wonderful cast iron grates, pick it up, turn them, and stack them. You can go up to 3 high in this configuration, and this is great because if somebody likes to do ribs, you got a bunch of people coming by, you can do a slab here, a slab there, 2 more on top, and then another rack on top of that, and get you 6 slabs of ribs. The convection works just the same, so the bottom ones will be just as good as the ones on the top. So another awesome feature of our grates is that they are reversible. So what you can do is, if you're going to do reverse searing or anything of that nature, you'll start off by taking your grates and just reversing them over. This allows you to get your grates closer to the fire. For those of you out there that love to do beautiful seared steaks, that restaurant quality sear marks that we're all trying to get are very, very, very easily done with the Goldens Cast Iron cooker. And having your grates down on the low position allows you to attain those perfect sear marks that you're after. Another awesome feature about our grates is that they are stackable again. Like I mentioned, you can go 3 high, but for those of you that like to do low and slow, let me illustrate this really awesome feature. So you see the tabs that are here on our grates. You can turn one set down, buy yourself another set of grates, and then turn it around to where they'll stack up. So this allows you to have a drip pan to be placed underneath. So if you're doing low and slow cooks, butts, brisket, anything that you want to have some added moisture in, and you also don't want to really dirty up your searing plate, having the grates in this position allows you to do that. So some really awesome features of our grates. I hope you're going to enjoy them, and we're certainly happy to have you in the Goldens Cast Iron family. So thank you again.